So today I'm going to be showing you how I edit my vlogs step by step. So now it's time for me to go inside of the video editor. For my vlogs, I usually just use Capcut because they have like the cool effects, transitions, stickers, text things. They already have a lot of that stuff in here and you can just sort of drag and drop. So I usually use Capcut for my vlogs. Once I get all my videos imported in, I just dump them all into the timeline. So I have 49 clips for this vlog. So yeah, I'm just gonna upload them all because they're all pretty much already in order. They were all recorded in the same day. So it might just be best for me to just like honestly drag and drop them onto the timeline. Let's see, how much footage is this? Wow, it's almost a whole hour worth of footage. It's almost 50 minutes. See, I did not know I was recording that much. This is why I have no space on my phone. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to look through the whole video, basically. I'm going to look through the whole video and I'm going to basically like trim it to, trim each video to what I want to show and then like sort of like what I don't want to show. And since this is actually a very intimate blog with one of my clients. So I may not want to put like everything that was said inside of the vlog. So now we're just going to edit out whatever I want to say. So we want to take that stuff out too. So this is me packing my bag. Honestly, this whole video doesn't need to be shown. So we're going to speed this up like a lot. Let's see. Because this is just me packing my bag. So that is what we're doing today. And we're going to turn the volume down. Packing up my bag, and it's just like B-roll of what is in the bag. I actually want to do like a what's in my bag or like equipment video. I want to do like a whole series on that. I do have like a lot of equipment that I think is pretty cool, but one video at a time. All right, so we did that, and then so, like a deer in the headlights. It was way too. This whole video does not need to be shown. And yeah, probably gonna do a voiceover for this too. Taking down equipment. All right. Now we have sort of like the journey on the way there. Oop. The journey on the way there. These ones are just gonna get sped up just like a tiny bit. Just sort of like background information. Like I'll most likely do a voiceover for this. And turn the volume all the way down because we do not need to hear the windshield wipers. Let's see, how long is this? This is 4 seconds. Okay. A good rule of thumb when I learned when I was interning at a magazine company is, with your B-roll, you want to make it like 3 to 6 seconds if you can, just because, people's attention spans are horrible. So actually, I kind of like that sound, so I actually keep that in. We are in Philly. All right. think that's enough of that conversation, honestly. I'm just gonna delete that. And this is her. I'm gonna flip this around. Honestly, I like that little thing where it's like I'm trying to carry all these things and you see like, I don't know, I sort of like the dysfunction of that video. So I don't know. I feel like some people will honestly cut that out, but I'm actually going to keep that. This is another video that's going to get set up right here. Because again, we don't need this whole video. Let's honestly just like speed that whole video up. But yeah, literally recording my whole day. I'm not exactly in the camera until this part, so we can cut this out. And then we can speed it up. Okay, that's super fast. Oh, wait, hold up. We'll put it back down. We don't want it to be too fast where you can't see what you're doing, but I mean too slow. We don't want it to be too fast to where you don't see where it's going, but it's too slow to where it's like, okay, where's the next scene at? Right. Yeah, that's a little too fast. I think that's right there, maybe. Let's see. Let's put it right there. And that will also be like, most likely a voiceover over that. Okay, I'm about to get up, so and then just put that right there because that's what it looks like when it's done. We're actually gonna mute this. Alrighty, so now we are starting to like put the music down. And ideally, this is where I start like doing the voiceover, but we're not gonna do that just yet. We're gonna put the music down first. This is way too fast. I mean, this is way too slow. I'm gonna speed that up a little bit. I thought I wanted it that short, but I really don't think I wanted to be that. We're just actually gonna cut this right here because I'm about to start talking. So we're gonna fade out and bring it in just a little bit to when I start talking.
All right, so we are here.
Well, I'm in the parking lot, but about to go there. And this moved over, but this is supposed to go over here. Alrighty, so we're talking again here, so we're gonna fade this one out. Account, so this is where you'll put your like your social, I guess your YouTube account password. So if I need to go in there, I can go in there. Oh, so we're there. Let's do it. Well, your account information. So when I'm not here, I can like if you're having trouble or something. All right, so now I'm getting ready to start the voiceovers for the vlogs. All right, so now I am packing up everything. This is everything that's in my bag. Definitely want to do like a what's in my camera bag video at some point or some type of video about equipment because, yeah, I got a whole lot to say about that. But yeah, I mean, it was a pretty nice drive. All right, so now I am packing up everything. This is everything that's in my bag. Definitely want to do like a what's in my camera bag video at some point or some type of video about equipment. All right, so I forgot to mute. Definitely don't forget to mute your your music before you start the voiceover, but we're gonna start the voiceover now. All right, so this is me packing up my bag. Honestly, probably should have did this the night before, but this is my bag. I definitely want to do a video on equipment one day in the near future because yeah, I have a lot to say about that. But it was a pretty nice drive down there. I haven't been to Philly actually in a while because I moved a little further away, but yeah. All right, so this is me packing up my bag. Honestly, probably should have did this the night before, but this is my bag. I definitely want to do a video on equipment one day in the near future because yeah, I have a lot to say about that. But it was a pretty nice drive down there. I haven't been to Philly actually in a while because I moved a little further away. But yeah, all right. So we are here. Wow. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do to this specific video. I mean, I may put a few stickers in there, but first thing you gotta do is trim, add the music, and then the voiceover, and then whatever stickers, gifs that you want to add in there. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I will link the full video, my full vlog that I've edited. I will link this to this video and I will put it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, if you want to learn how to edit on Capcut, I actually have a video editing course down below in the description box. It shows you how to edit your YouTube videos, talking head style actually, on YouTube. But I just thought this was going to be a great addition to add in there because I just started creating vlogs and Yeah, they're actually very low lift. So yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you next week.